Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to show you how to make this type of box animated design in Canva in just 8 minutes. So let's start. By the way, you can get this free template from the link in the description below, so don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. So let's start, but first let me tell you, Vox is a newspaper design, or you can say that it is about documentaries and other designs. And basically what it is about, it is very much covering everything that is happening into the world. So it has a very good animated design. So first of all, we're gonna open up a Canva video design, which is clean. Insert a math text, and we're going to just insert an animated background. And then what I'm gonna do is basically search for newspaper corner in elements and insert this onto the left corner. Then search for text in the elements, and I'm going to just insert it onto the right top corner and duplicate it using Ctrl plus D key. The key for duplicating in Canva is Ctrl plus D. The key for copying is Ctrl plus C, and pasting is Ctrl plus V. And then I'm going to just search for a pen in my elements, and I'm just going to put it into my entire template. And I'm just going to go to text and insert a heading, and what I'm going to do is use the font Playfair Display for this. Then I'm going to move it upwards, change its color to this gray color just onto the right side of a black color. Next, what I am going to do is go to elements. From here I am going to insert this chalk doodle illustration. You can search for it in elements by writing chalk doodle. So what we basically do is just make sure all of these stuffs are onto my blank white template. I'm going to just extend all of them till they cover the entire video slide. Next, what I'm gonna do is insert a line and then make it curved from here. Then I'm going to put it to the right side, and what I'm gonna do is give it more width and change its color to yellow. So from here I'm just gonna change its color to yellow. Here we go. Next, I'm just gonna add more text. I'm just gonna duplicate the same text boxes, but this time I'm gonna use other text. So basically what I do is just add more text. So this is going to be my main template. Here we go. The next thing that I need to do is just add a small pasted element, which is going to be a sticky note. You can search for it in elements and you can just find it from here. Next, what I do is add more text, but for this I'm gonna use another font called Amarissa Aged, and this is the font. So here we go. Next, what I'm gonna do is give it some animation. After giving it, you can just randomly give it any animation you like. You can just find them from Canva. Then I'm just gonna duplicate my page and this math index, and what I'm gonna do is add this Indian map into my template. You can search for it in elements. If you cannot find a free one, you can just go to Pinterest and search for a free one. Paste it onto the first template, and what I'm going to do is rotate it and change its angle and put it onto the right side, but top corner, make sure that it doesn't go out of your template. Now click on this transition button between these slides, and I'm going to add match and move, but increase its timing as much as you can. The next thing I need to do is add more stuff into my template. Duplicate the second design that you made. I'm going to extend the size of my map. I'm gonna make it bigger. Next, I'm gonna go to draw and tools option, and I'm gonna draw an outline around my map that I want. Now select all of these outlines, because I had some breaks between these drawings. I didn't make it in one line because if I made any mistake I would have to remove all of it, so I made it in different lines. So we're just gonna group them using Ctrl plus G key after we select all of them. Now go to element, and we're gonna go to animate and click on vibe and decrease the speeds. From here you just need to put it to 0. That is a very slow animation. Click between the pages, and I'm gonna give it match and move again. But this time you can see that the map did not appear with a smooth animation. That is because I haven't changed the timing to increase timing, so we increase that as well. Then what I would next do is just duplicate the entire template but without that outline. I'm going to rotate my map, go to edit and go to brightness, and make sure that it is at the very end. Next I'm gonna click between these pages, click on transition, add match and move, and we're gonna use 2.2 speed. Now we're gonna go to elements. From here I'm gonna search for a newspaper page, and I'm gonna just insert it, remove the background image that we had for that maths index, give match and move, and I'm just gonna put it on top. Now what I'm gonna do is go back to my template to check if my animation is correct. Now duplicate your everything on your page, and I'm gonna increase the size of this newspaper page and increase the size as much as you can so that the text that you want people to read is visible. Next what I'm gonna do is select it and make sure that you have applied match and move but till 3 with the speed of 3 seconds. Go to edit, click on click, and then go to brush, and we're gonna brush out that same thing that we want, the text that we want. We're gonna click on magic grab. This way we can move our text. So this is how it looks like right now. Now what I'm gonna do is basically go to element, search for a square, and I'm just gonna make it into a long rectangle. This will be our highlighter, which makes it look as if we have highlighted our text. So what I basically do is decrease its transparency, go to animate, give it white but only on enter. Then I'm going to add a new blank page onto the right side, go and search for India building, your Indian building, and I'm going to insert this Taj Mahal into my blank template. Make sure that it does not overlap with other pages, and then I'm just gonna change its colors and make it remove its background. Then I'm gonna insert a text box just behind it, increase its size, go to layer, send it to the back, and what I'm gonna do is next move it downwards. After giving animations, this is the final result. If you like this video, make sure to hit the bell icon and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. By the way, I will put the link for this entire template in for free and the link in the description below, so don't forget to check it out. If I haven't put the link in the description, you can just comment down and I will send you the link. Also, for more videos like these, you can follow us on other platforms from the link tree in the description below.